Okay, this is on the Zebroski job, number 54105, and don't know the install date. But what we're doing is we're switching out this 80% furnace with a 2-stage 90% B-width furnace. So, duct just as it shows. Furnace will sit on the base, furnace, and a 6-inch transition, and then the existing coil, make sure it's clean, and then a transition and a canvas, and a starting collar. Cut line right there. There's a flex off the back, so that's why I didn't go all the way up. New furnace will sit 3.5 inches from the wall, same as this one is. Put a 5-inch wide filter box, and then return air boot. The boot will actually sit 1.5 inches over from here. You can see right now the gas line is right there, but it goes crooked from the wall. Oh, I'm very good. From the wall it goes crooked. So I think once you undo this union, you can kind of bend it back and get that 1.5 inches there. Anyway, then you have a boot, canvas, and 1-inch transition to miss this here. And duct just as it shows. Starting collar, cut lines side to side to right there. Back of the furnace will sit flush with the back of this duct. Okay, combustion air is okay right there. You also have a partition door that goes on here, that's not here. So the vent, this is going to be the tricky part. So the vent's going out the back, 2-inch PVC. But to get it there, so this, all this right here is stairwell. You look up in here, it's all stairs. See that combustion air right there, or that return air? Okay, so up here what we've got, all stairs, and then we have return air panning and return air panning. So as soon as we can get our flue out is like right here. So this is a dryer, so you're going to need to cut sheetrock out over this dryer, big enough that you can work in there. And I'd cut it big enough that you can choose what joist space, you go in. But anyway, if you look up here, you can see the two pans. You can see that dryer vent down there. Looks like it's 2 or 3 joist spaces down. Not quite sure what's going on there, but or what when it goes out. Anyway, so you want to put your flue out, as close to the panning as you can, to get our clearance from the outside dryer vent. Should be 4 feet away. I'm not quite sure if we're going to make that, but get it as far away as you can. Okay, and I talked to the homeowner about it, and she is aware that she's going to be have to replace the sheetrock, or repair it, I mean. So, also on the vent, cap with the 5-inch strip cap. So the gas, so I'm going to try to push it over, but from the caulk, you're going to add a flex, and that'll go into a 292T drip leg, and 14 into the furnace. AC, leave as is. Make sure coil is clean. Just be aware your AC will lift up 6 inches. I think you'll probably be able to lift the line set up and make it go at an angle so you don't have to cut it. Okay, drain just to the floor, standard order. So just be aware this isn't glued here, so note that. But we'll just put it on the P-trap and do it like we normally would. Okay. Drain. So thermostat, you're going to reuse the existing Nest thermostat. There is only 5 wires. Pull a new one if you can. If not, the Nests, you can take the common off and use W2 as the common. And the power, just reuse it. And that's it.